What's up, guys? So today what we're gonna do is finally get around to working on my little Mazda, my little B1600 that has the NASCAR engine in it, out of the race car that I got from one of my old bosses. So I got that little Mazda right there. It's got the little small block. It's a full roller. It's got the roller rockers. It's got the roller cam, all that good stuff. Can't check the oil on it unless you go down there and pull that plug and make sure we're full. That's why it's a race car engine, because you don't have dipsticks in race cars, because you don't want to make a mess. So I know what you're all thinking, I should be working on that, but no, this thing's been sitting for a long time. I think it's about time that I get it running. I can't really move it out of the garage because the Mercedes is in the way, but I could probably get it running. Let's do a fat burnout in my garage or something, who knows. Stick around and find out what I do. First place first, I noticed some ripped out wires right here. So it looks like they ripped off their little connector down there. So we got to get these wires hooked up, and then I'm gonna have to get a battery in it and this ground. I don't know what I was thinking when I did that ground, however long ago I did that ground, but I mean, I guess it works, but that's not good. So I'm gonna find me a battery. I'm gonna tighten up that ground, maybe at least put a bolt through the hole that's already right there, you know, and a washer or something. Got my logo. Get the dog crate off it and all the stuff I got piled on it. I gotta evict all these spiders out. Here's your transmission. You sit right next to it. It's all cut down inside. Yeah, I gotta clear this thing out and get all this going. And I believe all I gotta do is hook the battery up and hook a couple wires up, and then pretty much flip a switch and start. So we're gonna see what's up right now. With how this works. Oh my god, the spider webs are insane. Yeah, I'm not sticking my hand through that, but anyway, I'll stick the camera through it. I flip the switch here and I push a button there. Whoa, that was a lot of spiders. Spider webbed. So as you can see, it's been sitting a while. Who knows if the engine's even locked up? It shouldn't be, but you guys know how engines are. If they sit for a while, get locked up and stuff. So yeah, that's that. We're gonna start diving in right now. I'm gonna try to find a spot to set the camera up. That way I don't have to hold it the whole time. I wonder if I could just vice it right here. Put it on my vice. There we go. That kind of works. I just don't know if I'm gonna be in the way of trying to work on the wires right here. No, we'll be alright. We'll be good. So we're gonna do that. Get these wires hooked up. I'm gonna go find my battery. So found a battery. We're gonna throw it in real quick and just pre-test some wires. See if maybe and make sure I got my wiring right in my head the way I think it's supposed to go. See, I got the battery hooked up now. Let's just, oh yeah, I'm just gonna kind of touch the wires and see if I can get them to stay in a position where I could just touch them where I think they go. Because I can't remember which side of the starter I had the wires hooked to. But they got ripped out and there's an empty spot right there. So let's see. I mean, that should hopefully do something. No, I got nothing. I don't think I got any power. Let's switch to start, but no power from that. So let's try to touch them on the other side of the starter straight to the hot. Maybe that's where I was running it. Straight to the hot side. Try to just pinch them on there. I'll come back and do it right once I figure out where those wires go. I mean, obviously they have to go somewhere right there. Oh look, we got lights. Oh, there it is. So we're gonna hook the wires up right there. And let's see. Oh, I think that's the ignition. That's all this is. One of my fans didn't come on though. So I'm gonna have to figure out the fans too, because normally they come on with the ignition. So Yeah, what I'm gonna do now is find me a wrench somewhere in this mess of a garage. I just had this in there. There we go. Somewhere in here, I should have a wrench. Let's see. I got me a wrench. Let's loosen up this bolt right here. You know what? I should probably unhook the battery real quick. Just because I'm turning a wrench on the main hot wire. That should do that. Now we should have power and start. And see, yeah, we got some life in there. You go to the store? Take the gas can and give me a couple gallons of gas. Please. I'll have it's on the table. Take a, sure. Okay, now we got that hooked up. Okay, that light's on all the time. I don't like that. So is this light. So maybe they don't go there, but it definitely isn't locked up. Let's just see if I can get it to fire real quick. I just want to hear it for 1 second. Right, while we wait, I just had to go fix the Tahoe. That's not the short video I just posted, but while we wait, we're gonna come and figure out where I left off on the airbag system and clean some of the stuff off the truck. She's going to get me some gas right now. That's one way to do it. Yeah, she's on her way to get me some gas. So then I'll be able to put a couple gallons in here and get it primed. And then maybe pull it forward a little bit. Just do a fat smoky burnout in my garage just because I can. Beauty of being my garage. Hey, a tripod. Look at that. I could use that. Man, I feel bad for this truck sometimes. Okay, so let's see what kind of crap shit I got going on right here. It looks like this. It's gonna go to here. And then where'd my ground wire go? And then I think ground wire to there. Where's that ground? No, I think, oh, that's not even hooking nothing. Look at me grabbing random wires. Let's figure out which one of these. Okay, that's the ground wire. This is gonna be the hot wire. And if I just, is this wire going to the battery though, or the switch? the relay. Okay. So we got that, so it looks like it's hooked up. Let's find our switch inside the car. See, it's been so long, I can't even remember how I set it. Switch there. Airbags, they got power, so. Where's my, oh, did I put it down here? I think I did. Put a switch down here somewhere, I thought. Maybe I didn't. Could have swore I had a switch in here for that. Oh, look at that. Wire unhooked. There it is. So we'll just set this here for now. Ha! We'll let it do its thing. Let's see. No, that one don't run it. Oh, maybe I don't have a switch hooked up for that right now. Maybe that's something else I was trying to do. Oh yeah, because look, the switch goes right here. Man, I'll be tripping sometimes. Working on too many things, just forget what I'm doing. Guess what, we're right here. Gonna empty it out. Oh, there's my 350X seat cover. My pipe cutter and a Milwaukee battery I've probably been looking for forever. Hey, my scope, my camera's all just in here, Must be nice to live my life where you just throw all your stuff around. Okay. Move the seat over off the drive shaft real quick. Hey look, my other Harley helmet. Been looking for that too. Man, my life would probably pay good money if I would just keep track of all my stuff. Shoo, nice satin black helmet. Let's see, just for the got some pressure. So we're looking at 30 pounds in each, front and the back. Looks like I got some rat friends. My wire came unhook. So that's the ABS or ASI dual-headed compressor. Oh, a bunch of wrenches. Probably been looking for. Oh, it's been a long time. That's sketchy. Homemade drive shaft. I made that a couple years back. Oh. She's moving. We're gonna let her air for a second. We'll be right back. Clean out the engine bay too. We don't want none of this stuff getting sucked up in the fan, breaking my fan belts or something crazy. My luck, some stuff like that happens. Now this out. cutting it close too. Close quarters. I really don't like these seats. I don't think I've ever sat in them. Ooh, 70. Yeah, buddy. We have liftoff. We're off the ground. Some air in those bags. My tire's getting up there. Let's get it running, boys, girls. Alright, so we got some gas. We dump a little bit off in a water bottle real quick. And we're gonna fill up the carb bowl. And then get it so that way it helps me prime faster. And I don't just crank the battery to death. So, some gas in the bottle. Banana bread. I want banana bread yet.
With my new mixer.
With the new kitchen aid?
Yeah.
Alright.
Cool.
That sounds good.
Nuts, though.
We don't have the walnuts or nothing?
No. That's what you might ask if you want a banana bread.
Yeah, I want banana bread.
But we're making banana bread. Oh Jesus, I think I caught that. Tony.
Yeah.
You not making banana bread?
No, I've never made it. Give me that, alright?
Alright, we're gonna put the air cleaner on just in case any backfire happens. It doesn't catch on fire. Usually that's how you catch on fire. I'm not trying to burn down. Woo. No fire? No fire. Almost got gas primed up. Let's see. Let's try again. Give her a little more motivation. Yeah, we don't really got a good prime yet. It's working off an engine pump. Where's there? Oh, there's a little leak. There it is, right there. There's a little leak right there. Let me grab a screwdriver real quick and fix that. That's gonna take my prime right away. Well, we're gonna have to settle for a old school little saw and tighten this thing up with that. No. Okay. Maybe. Let's see if that works. This time we won't bolt the air cleaner down, we'll just put it on. it's the actual glass part leaking. That tightens down. So far, no fuel is making it into the bowls. I want this word. Let's see, what is it doing now? Oh, that was weird. Well, it's closer. See if it'll start back up. Almost made it. Come on, girl. Yeah, I think the carb needs a little clean, or just run for a second. Well, we killed the battery. So, I'm gonna go find a filter because this thing is leaking like a sieve and it's blowing right down by that pipe that's blowing fire. So I'm gonna go see if I can find another filter off something else. And in fact, I'm gonna steal that filter right there, pop it on here, and see if we can get it to get gas more consistently. Get it to run better. I'm doing a burnout hopefully tonight. Alright, so we know I was getting fuel up there, and the carburetor was revving up when I wanted it to. So I replaced the filter real quick. Try to fill it back up. And see if I can get it to actually prime with fuel. Put this on a little bit, tried to blow off last time, so. see. Oh, fire. Come on, man. Fire up. Why ain't you doing it? There's some fire popping out the pipe though. Too much fuel going straight down in there. Just need to run for a second. Oh, I forgot to grab a battery too, so who knows if that battery is even live enough. Alright. We'll see, hopefully it just fires right up. It was revving up, so I would assume the carb was squirting. So. Please, battery, be good to me. Come on. And battery's out. We go get a new battery. Find someone out of something. See if this battery has juice. No juice. Dead. Unless the cables aren't hooked up right. Let's check that real quick. It's dead. Out of juice. On the mission for a battery now. Battery round 3, 4, I don't know, whatever round we're on a battery. Let's see. Man, dude, our battery's no good too. Still no fuel up there yet. Oh, I don't want to end it like that. Oh, battery take 4, 5, I don't remember. See, it does look good. Hopefully this battery works because that thing was heavy. I scared it all across the yard. You better. Oh shit. Put some fire. That was definitely a fire. It's a little crazy. Try it again. Almost, we got fuel in there now. Come on, let me get enough time to get to it. Little ass in it. Alright guys, just like I promised, we're gonna do a burnout in the garage. It's probably a stupid idea, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So I'm gonna see if this thing will fire up and rev up from inside the truck. I'm not sure if the throttle pedal is actually hooked up. So here, Cody, take over that. If it goes black, just tap the screen. Not working. So what happened? Try to figure that out real quick. Is that pulling it?
Yeah.
Right there, what's going on? So something.
They're not moving. They just need the whole cable out of it.
So this right here is what's fucking pulled into that. So I think you know what I could do. We're gonna put it in this. you go. Smoky McSmokes and Smoky. Yeah, but we did it. There it is, no class garage. We got the Mazda running, ended a burnout in the garage. Obviously, I need a new throttle cable because the cheap plastic housing one that I bought, it didn't last. That's why the throttle cable wasn't working from the side, because it's broke. So now I need a new throttle cable. This is why you don't let your project sit. Need a new throttle cable. But we obviously know the trans is working, the engine's running, it went into gear, it would drive if I was aired up. So I'm gonna start working on clearing some of this stuff out. Get her lifted up, come out here, free up the bed right there, get the bed on it. Now that I know it's there, I got the hood that's back here. I'm gonna make a big cowl hood for it, and then I'm gonna make the pipes. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with the pipes because they gotta go somewhere else than right there. There you have it. 1972 Mazda B1600 with the straight NASCAR block in it. No dipstick, no nothing. The only way to check is one of those down there by that plug. So yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Got a couple good projects coming up.